Hey everyone! Today, I've got the top 10 best new Amazon kitchen gadgets you don't want to miss. From time-saving tools to smart appliances, these will upgrade your kitchen. Subscribe now and check the links in the description. Let's get started. The Dash Tasty Crisp Electric Air Fryer is a compact and stylish kitchen appliance that uses air crisp technology to cook food with less oil, making meals healthier. Its small size is perfect for kitchens, dorms, or RVs, while still providing enough space for cooking. With a digital interface, custom presets, and an auto shut-off function, it makes frying, roasting, and baking quick and easy. The non-stick basket ensures hassle-free cleaning, and the cool touch handle adds extra safety. This air fryer is a great choice for anyone looking for fast, delicious, and healthier meals. The Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker brings a fun and easy way to make homemade ice cream, frozen yogurt, or gelato with a classic old-fashioned design. Its electric motor handles the churning, so there's no need for manual effort, delivering delicious frozen treats in minutes. Designed for convenience, it features a secure locking system and a carrying handle for easy transport. Perfect for parties or family gatherings, this ice cream maker pairs well with Nostalgia's ice cream kits, making it simple to create classic or custom flavors at home. The Dash Smart Store Deluxe Compact Hand Mixer is a lightweight and portable kitchen essential, perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. With 3-speed settings, it easily whips, mixes, and blends everything from cake batter to meringues. Its compact design allows for easy storage, and the built-in beater clip keeps attachments secure. The set includes beaters, a whisk, and a milkshake attachment, all dishwasher safe for quick cleaning. Ideal for everyday baking and cooking, this mixer is a convenient and space-saving addition to any kitchen. The Geft Stand Mixer is a powerful and versatile kitchen companion, featuring a 600-watt motor and 6 adjustable speeds for effortless mixing, kneading, and whipping. Its 6-quart stainless steel bowl handles large batches with ease, while the splash guard prevents messes. Designed for convenience, the dough hook, whisk, and beater are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With a quiet operation and built-in safety features, this stand mixer is perfect for both everyday baking and special occasions. A great addition to any kitchen, it makes cooking more efficient and enjoyable. The Joseph Push and Tier Kitchen Paper Holder is a sleek and practical addition to any kitchen. Designed for easy one-handed tearing, it features a push lock system that secures the roll in place. The raised base edge prevents unraveling, while the twist-off cap allows for quick refills. With a non-slip base for stability, this holder is perfect for standard-sized paper rolls. Its modern design and functionality make it a great choice for keeping kitchen paper organized and accessible. The Shizo Large Round Stainless Steel Grill Basket Set is the perfect BBQ accessory for grilling enthusiasts. Featuring an innovative side-opening design with a unique latch, it allows for easy loading and unloading of food with a larger opening compared to standard baskets. Made of high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, this durable basket is ideal for grilling vegetables, fish, and more. The included fork device ensures even cooking, and the 70% larger cooking area provides more space for your feast. A great gift for any grill master, it's perfect for backyard barbecues, picnics, and camping trips. The Ehoyle Knife Sharpener is a professional tool designed to quickly and safely sharpen, repair, and hone kitchen knives. Made with a stainless steel frame and Austrian tungsten carbide, it features self-adjusting spring-action arms that automatically adjust to the blade angle, ensuring a precise sharpen for various knife types. The anti-slip rubber base provides stability during use, even in wet conditions. Ideal for all steel knives, this sharpener is easy to use and a great gift for anyone who enjoys cooking, ensuring their blades stay sharp and ready for any task. The Dowlife cut-resistant gloves offer excellent protection against cuts and abrasions, perfect for kitchen tasks like meat cutting, oyster shucking, and vegetable slicing. Made from high-performance HDPE material, these gloves are designed to be significantly stronger than regular gloves. They provide a comfortable and flexible fit, ensuring a secure grip without slipping. Easy to clean and dry, the gloves can be hand or machine washed. With their durable and practical design, they help prevent accidents and ensure safety while working in the kitchen or workshop. The Oster Extra Wide Slot Toaster is designed for consistent and reliable toasting every time. Its extra-wide slots can accommodate everything from thin sliced bread to bagels, providing versatility in your kitchen. With a removable crumb tray for easy cleaning and a convenient lift lever, it makes the toasting process simple. The toaster also features customizable settings for bagels and frozen items, allowing you to adjust the toasting time for perfect results. The stylish stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while its durable construction ensures long-term reliability. The Fresco Immersion Blender is a versatile 4-in-1 kitchen tool that offers a powerful 500-watt motor and 12-speed settings, making it perfect for tasks like blending smoothies, pureeing soups, and making sauces. With its turbo mode, it ensures fast and thorough blending for a smoother consistency. The blender features food-grade 304 stainless steel blades, ideal for crushing hard foods and preventing splatter with its anti-splash design. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, and the detachable parts are easy to clean, with the blender stick being dishwasher safe.